Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you guys a tool that's very efficient and time saving and it's called Text Expander. Now you might ask me what that is. A text expander is basically a tool that can automatically detect and replace certain words. Let me give you an example, let me elaborate. Let's say you have to type your email ID every single day. Now that is a really boring task, so what you can do is you can tell the text expander that I'm not going to type in the whole email ID every single time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type a shortcut so that whenever I type in the shortcut, you have to detect it and replace it with my original email ID. Let's assume the shortcut is @mail. So next time I have to type my email ID, I'm just gonna type @mail and the text expander will replace it with my original email ID. That's how text expanders work. Now the best part of text expanders is that they are totally free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for text expanders and you can use them as many times as you want. And you can use this tool to type in addresses, you can use it in programming, you can use it to reply to certain emails. The possibilities are endless. So that was my explanation for text expanders. Now these are available on all kinds of devices, Windows, Linux, iOS, Android, all of them. And I'm going to show you the best ones for every single operating system, starting with obviously Android. So for Android, you have to install an application called the Google Keyboard, that is Gboard, on Play Store. Once you do that, open this application, go down here to dictionary, then go to personal dictionary, and I have all these languages installed, so obviously I'm going to go with English Keyboard. Now once you go to English, see this plus button on the top right, just click on it and then type in the thing that you want replaced. So I'm going to type samihansawant@gmail.com. Like I said in the example, we are going to type in the email ID. Now you have to type in the shortcut that you want. So I'm going to type in @mail, like I said. And once we are done with that, just hit the tick mark, go back, it will get saved. Now if I go to any application, let's say WhatsApp, and I type @mail, that is our shortcut, as you can see, it will automatically recommend the email ID down here. All you have to do is press on it, it will replace the shortcut and you can send it to anyone you want. It's as simple as that. Now like I said, not only email IDs, you can also use addresses. So I'm going to copy this address, I'm going to go back to the application, hit the plus button, paste it here. I'm going to type in the shortcut @addr, let's assume that's the shortcut, and hit tick mark, go back, it will get saved. And again, if I go back to WhatsApp and I type @addr, it will recommend the address, just click on it and send. So that's how Text Expander works on Android. On iOS or iPhone, just go to settings, search for keyboard, then go to keyboard. Here go to text replacement and just click on this plus. Then again you have to type in the phrase. Again I'll type samihansawant@gmail.com and type in the shortcut again @mail, and I'll hit save and it will get saved here. Now if I go to, let's say, WhatsApp again and type in @mail, it will recommend me the email ID right here. Just click on it and you can send it. Again we are going to copy the address. If we want, go there, click on the plus, paste it there, and again we'll type @addr, save it, and we'll go back to WhatsApp again @addr. It will suggest it, click on it, send it. So that was for iOS or iPhone, and it doesn't require any other application to be installed. This is an inbuilt function, so that's good. So that was how you can use the text expander for iOS. For PC, you'll have to install an application called Espanso. It is probably the best for text expansion, and I've linked it in the description. You can download it and install it. Now to use this application, it is a bit different from other applications, but I'll show you how to use it. Just go to your file explorer and make sure you go to view section and check this hidden items checkbox. Now once you do that, go to your C drive, go to users, then admin, then AppData Roaming, find Espanso, click on it, go to match, and then go to base.yml. You'll see this file. Now I know all of this was tedious going to this little address, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it and paste it in the description. You can copy that and paste it in your file explorer and you'll be good to go. Now just open this file. I'll open it in VS Code, but you can also open it in Notepad, no problem with that. Now once you open this file, see this little 3 lines. You don't have to worry about all of this stuff. Just go to these 3 lines, 11, 12, 13. Just copy these and hit enter and paste them. Okay, now I'll explain what this is. This green line that you see, which says simple text replacement but has a hashtag in front of it, it is called comment in coding. Okay, so you can type anything here just to remind yourself what that shortcut is. So I'm gonna write this is the shortcut for my email. Okay, so I've typed in that this is the shortcut. Then there are two things: trigger and replace. Trigger is the shortcut that we want, and replace is the email ID, the whole email ID. So here I'm gonna write, now we had used @mail, right? But here what we are gonna use is colon, because they most of the time use colons in front of it. So I'll type colon mail, and then in replace section I'm gonna type in my email ID. Okay, so that's my email ID, and we are done. Simply save the file, and then if you go anywhere, I'll go to Google and I'll type in colon mail, and it will replace it with my email ID instantly. You can go to any other application that you want. Let's go to Notepad. I'll open it. Here I'll type, let's increase the font size. Okay, I'll type colon mail, and as you can see, it has automatically replaced it. That's how fast it works on your PC. So that's how you can customize anything here. Okay, not just email IDs. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here again. Here what I'll do is, this is the shortcut for my, let's say, contact number. Okay, and here I'll type colon no, and instead of ID we'll type in some random number. Okay, so let's say this is our contact number. Obviously I'm not going to give you guys my contact number, but yeah, this is the contact number. And if I go to, let's say, Notepad and type colon no, it gets replaced. It's as simple as that. So that's how text expander works on PC. Espanso, great application, instant replacement. And yeah, that's it for your PC. It can also work on Linux and all that stuff, not just Windows. It's not platform specific, it works everywhere. So yeah, that's Espanso. So those were the best text expander, guys. I hope you find this tool useful in your day-to-day life, and if you find this video useful, make sure you drop a like. It really helps the algorithm suggest this video to the needful people. Share this video with your friends so that they can also use this beautiful tool, and comment below if you know any intriguing and useful softwares that you want me to review on this channel. And finally, consider subscribing to the channel. I post such how-to videos, tech reviews, I do unboxing sometimes, I stream games on the channel, and I post some useful and knowledgeable YouTube shorts. So that brings us to the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.